back to my channel, you guys. If you're seeing this face for the first time, then my name is Ananya. I know you guys must be shouting from your phones or laptops or whatever you're seeing me in, that I'm really late for the video. I know I'm really late for my video. It's just because I got stuck in my internship and my exams, and my exams are still in Feb. But yeah, I'm still here filming a video. Actually, this is going to be a first impression video. Like, all the products today I'm gonna try is all new, and it's like I have kind of used it once or twice. It's not like I use them daily. And this is going to be a haul plus impression video, so it's gonna be a mixed video. You already read the title, you have come here for this, why I'm explaining it. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So guys, let's begin the makeup tutorial. I have got some things here. Let me just show you here. These are some of the things which I have rarely used. Like, I have just used it once or twice, like that. And this is not my first time doing this tutorial, because I already filmed it, and due to some XYZ reasons I couldn't edit it, so I have to delete it. The footage was really bad and everything, so I'll just keep starting. So let's just start by priming our face. The first thing that we're going to use is this one. This is from Purple. This is the Skin Rejuvenating Serum. This is how it looks. And I have been trying this serum from a really I've been trying to use this serum because I have just used it once or twice, and it's good. I cannot say it's bad, or I cannot give anything about it, but the texture is like this. It's yellow in color, and what I like to do is take some, like, few drops on my palm, and then just put that on my face as a primer. It's a very like watery texture, and it just slips from your hand just everywhere now. How are you guys? Just let me know. I know I have been super late with uploading videos, so just tell me, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine out there. I know I'm very late because there were so many things to do, you guys. Have been going through a really big problem. I'll share it soon, but yeah, I think the oiling is done. It's not a oil, it's not a serum, it's in between. Like, I cannot just explain the texture. My skin just feels nice after using this. I don't think it does give you a shine, as you can see. I don't think it does anything else. Okay, then we're gonna use this primer. This one is from Wet n Wild. Is a matte primer. This is for dry skin types, and the texture is something like this. I don't know it's gonna fill my pores or not, but it feels quite hydrating on my face. I don't know how much is gonna fill my pores. There are some of the products with me right now which I have got from Nykaa, so it's super duper new, and I have just got it from a really long time, and I haven't used it after that. So yeah, mind it, I haven't used it. Just a minute. I haven't used it from a really I haven't used it, so I'm gonna use it today. There's some elf products also, so I've not got all the elf products because I think elf in India is a little bit costlier, I think. So we're gonna directly move into the foundation. This is a new foundation. This is from L'Oreal. It's an Infallible 24-hour matte cover foundation. I got the wrong shade. This is the shade Natural Ivory 101.5 Natural Ivory. This is a lighter shade for me. ये हमेशा होता है मेरे साथ कि either मैं darker shade मंगवाती हूँ या फिर lighter shade मंगवाती हूँ. It's just irritating, but I can just walk with it, I feel. So I'll apply it. I'll just take some in the back of my hand. Just You can see it's light, you guys. It's light. It's super light. So I'm taking this foundation brush. This is the PAC foundation brush, and I'm just buffing it. It's a little bit light for my skin. I don't use such light foundations, but we have to work with it today because this video is all about new impressions, new products that I'm gonna use, and this is the only new foundation I have with me right now. It does dry out a little fast, so you have to apply it really, you have to blend it properly. Pretty good coverage, you guys. Even after mixing the serum, I feel it has a really nice coverage. Okay guys, okay then we'll jump into concealer. I don't have a new concealer, but I do have a concealer which I think you have never seen me using it. This is the Fit Me concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I know many of you guys must be loving this concealer, but I don't know why I have never used it. By the way guys, if you guys don't know, I have got a new phone. This is iPhone 12, and my previous phone was iPhone 6s. It was really old, so I got this. Even I got new AirPods. Where it is? Yeah, these are my new AirPods, and this is the cute minion cover. I received it from Amazon today only. I never use this because this is a little bit lighter concealer. Guys, this is a new trick I have learned, is to blend your concealer with your hands. It gives you a very good coverage, and even the warmth of your hand blends the concealer so perfectly, and it just looks so nice. Just give me a second and I'll just show you. Just blend it. See, do you see the difference? This eye and this eye, I see the difference. I just love it. And yeah, I think I need a little bit of more concealer because I just feel I need a little bit more concealer, so I'm gonna apply. I'm taking that concealer in my lids also. Do you see the coverage? This is the coverage I need, because just like this. As you see, my concealer is done. So we'll just, now I feel that foundation is not bad. I like the foundation. It's good. It's really good. I think I have a new favorite foundation right now. I just love how my face looks right now. So yeah, let's quickly jump into powder. So the powder I'm gonna use today is the Fit Me powder. This is in the shade 20. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Yeah, this is also one of this thing, like I have never used this powder. I know many of you guys must be wondering why didn't you ever used it and everything, but I love the Blue Heaven powder so much that I am used to use that powder. I never go to this Fit Me powder, and that one is so cheap and it works so well for me. So that is why I have never gone to this powder, but today I'm going to use this powder. This is let's just see, I'll just take some and dust. Today I'm not gonna bake, I'll just dust just to set the concealer in place. And it does have a little bit of coverage too. Like after you set your face, this is how your face is gonna look, so matte. You see this side and this side, you can know the difference. If you're oily skin type, you can just go and put the powder everywhere, but just because I'm a dry skin type, I like to bake, but today I'm not gonna bake and I just do like. We'll quickly jump into the eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow today we are gonna use is this one. this eyeshadow palette. This is so cute. This is from ELF. I have used it earlier once जब मैं वो tutorial कर रही थी. As I've told you, this is my second time filming this video. So yeah, this is how the eyeshadow palette looks, and this is in the shade Truffles, I think. So I'm gonna take this dark brown shadow, this one, and just taking in the Nykaa brush, dusting off the excess, and putting that on my crease. We'll do our eyes first. I'm just doing a really simple. I'm just placing it in my crease, as you can see, just placing, and then I'm blending it. You can see this is just one swipe and it's pigmented, you guys. I was thinking let's do a smoky eye, because yeah, we haven't done a smoky eye in a really long time. I don't know when the last time I filmed a smoky eye tutorial, so we can do a smoky eye today because we have all the shades required for a smoky eye. Light brown shadow, this one. It doesn't have a really big fallout also. Dab off the excess and blend it with the dark brown. So easy, it's super easy to blend, you guys. So what I'm gonna do now is take a flat shader brush like this, and I'm gonna spray it a little. Take this spray, yeah, spray this a little. Take this black eyeshadow, yeah, take this black eyeshadow and put that on my crease. Taking that light brown, again dapping off the excess and then blending it with the black. If you do a smoky eye, I think I'll put a little bit. I have already powdered, but still I would be needing a little bit of concealer again, because it has fallen out and it has destroyed this. Oh god. Okay, let's not panic. I'll just finish the shine and come back. As you can see, both my eyes are done, blended properly, done. What I'm gonna do is highlight my inner corners, and I was going to use this one. This is the shade, and just let me get a pencil. This is the brush I'm gonna use. This is a really nice fluffy pencil brush. Okay, I see that. After this, I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow brush, take the lighter shade and just shade my lower lash line. For 400 rupees, this is a little bit not cheap, but for 400 rupees this is a little bit expensive for 400 rupees, but then you get 4 big large pans. So into a mascara, and the mascara today I'm gonna use, as you guys know, I don't use falsies. I never use falsies. I just don't like them, so I don't use it. But I may use it, I don't know. This is the Wet n Wild Max Fanatic Cat Eye Mascara. I have just used this once. I got it like way back, but I have just used this once. I want to use this today. I always use the Maybelline one, and I just want to use this today. So let's just see. So yeah, guys, mascara is done. This is a really nice mascara. Just loved it. And what we're gonna do now is, I just like how my brows are looking, but still what I'm gonna do is take a spoolie and just brush through it. Not gonna do anything else because I just feel it's good how my brows are looking. I'm not gonna do anything with my brows. I'm just done with my eye look. And yeah, let's move into the blush. Okay, I just thought I will show you this. I have this elf eyeliner. It's a pencil sketch pen eyeliner. It's an eyeliner pen from elf. And you, if you want to use it, you can use it. I'm not gonna use it today because I don't feel like using it, but should I use it because it's new? Haven't used it. I should use it, yes. Let's just use this. Let's just use this eyeliner just to give a little more definition. You can see it here. This is how the wand is. It's black. It's black. It's sturdy. You can use it आराम से. अभी मुझे पता नहीं कितना टाइम रहेगा. I also got a Blue Heaven pen eyeliner kind of thing from Blue Heaven also, but I feel it's not worth it because अगर आपका oily lids होगा ना, then it just vanish away. मैं dry skin type, जितना oil मेरे eyelid में होता है उसमें वो चला जाता है. तो I don't know. Yes, it's smudge proof. I love. Okay, it's a good eyeliner. I don't know, but I cannot taste it today because I have used all the eyeshadow and make this a smoky eye and everything. So I got this new blush too. This is from K Beauty. You can know the packaging is stunning and everyone is loving this. This is in the shade Sugar Candy. That's a very light. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and use this. Oh god, guys, I love this blush so much. It has a, this has to be my favorite blush after NYX. After NYX, this is gonna be my favorite blush, you guys. Before we move into highlighter, let's use this spray. I have also used this spray once or maybe twice. This is from NYX. This is the matte finish spray. It's a setting spray. Let me just use it. Let's cover our eye and spritz it everywhere. I feel my face is looking so stunning. मुझे लगा मैं पूरा गोरी हो जाऊंगी because of the foundation, but yeah, it looks really nice. And the highlighter I have is also new. This is from K Beauty. This is in the shade Champagne Fizz. This is how it looks. It comes with a mirror. The packaging is stunning. It's sleek and I just love the packaging. I'm taking this big, wait, I have a new brush. I'm taking this big fluffy brush and I'm just using it. Oh god. I know I'm a little bit of too much highlighter today, but I don't care, you guys. I just love this highlighter. I'm a glow goddess today. I look like a glow goddess. Oh my god. But now I have a new product here. This is from elf. This is the lip lacquer. Okay, this is the lip lacquer and this is from elf in the shade Moody. And I just wanted to try this. It's a glossy lipstick kind of thing, so I'm gonna use it today. And it's a really light shade, so it's gonna match with our even with our eyes, because the eyes are really loud, so it's good if you do your lips a little light and not any dark shade. So I'm gonna use this shade. I really like how my lips are looking right now. Really good, really healthy, shiny. I'm a shine goddess today because I've applied a lot of highlighter too. So guys, this is the final look. I haven't done a smoky eye from a really long time, but if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. I promise I'm gonna upload video. Yeah, so guys, see you next time. Bye bye, take care.